Choosing the wrong tennis racket can ruin your game before you even step on the court. With dozens of new models releasing every year, picking the right one feels overwhelming and expensive mistakes are easy to make. Buy the wrong racket and you will fight your equipment instead of your opponent, hurting your arm, your confidence, and your wallet all at once. This video breaks down the 6 best tennis rackets of 2026 that actually deliver on their promises. These are rackets tested by real players across power, spin, control, and comfort categories. Whether you are an intermediate player looking to level up or an advanced player chasing tour-level performance, this list will save you from buying wrong. Let's find the racket that matches your game. Number 6. Yonex EZONE 98 8th Gen. Starting our countdown at number 6 is the Yonex EZONE 98 8th Gen, a racket that blends comfort with genuine performance for a huge range of players. This racket features Yonex's signature isometric head shape that expands the sweet spot significantly. The 98 square inch head gives excellent control while still offering enough forgiveness for everyday rallies. The frame uses vibration dampening technology that noticeably reduces shock on off-center hits. Players with arm sensitivity consistently praise this racket for its plush, comfortable feel at contact. The 8th generation update refined the weight distribution, making the swing feel faster through the zone. It delivers reliable depth on ground strokes without feeling harsh or jarring. The string pattern balances spin potential with control, making it versatile for baseline and net play. Intermediate to advanced players find this frame easy to transition into from stock rackets. The stiffness rating sits in a comfortable middle ground, protecting your arm during long matches. Many club players describe this as their go-to comfort racket that never lets them down. The build quality feels premium and consistent across every unit. When you want a dependable all-court racket that protects your arm while still performing at a high level, the EZONE 98 8th Gen is a fantastic choice for 2026. Number 5. Head Speed Pro 2026. At number 5 is the Head Speed Pro 2026, a racket built for players who want precision and stability above everything else. This racket keeps the traditional 18 by 20 dense string pattern that serious players demand for accuracy. The dense pattern reduces excess spin, giving you a flatter, more predictable ball flight on aggressive shots. The swing weight is intentionally hefty, providing plow-through on defensive shots and stability against powerful opponents. This 2026 update adds compression-resistant technology that improves feel and reduces harshness on mishits. Advanced players and former stock racket users love how this frame rewards clean technique. The control this racket offers at the baseline is exceptional for players who like to dictate rallies. It handles pace extremely well, absorbing fast incoming shots without feeling overwhelmed. The frame requires a committed swing, so beginners may find it demanding to generate power. Tour-level players have used variations of this racket for years because of its trusted performance. The comfort level has improved significantly compared to older Speed Pro generations. Serve performance is excellent thanks to the stable head and reduced twisting on contact. When you want a no-nonsense, accuracy-focused racket that punishes sloppy shots and rewards precision, the Head Speed Pro 2026 delivers exactly that experience. Number 4. Yonex VCORE 100 2026. Coming in at number 4 is the Yonex VCORE 100 2026, a racket that continues to grow in popularity thanks to its incredible spin generation. This racket features an updated frame design that makes accessing heavy topspin easier than ever before. Playtesters consistently note that this update also delivers noticeably more power compared to previous VCORE generations. If you love playing an aggressive, spin-heavy game, this racket practically does the work for you. The 100 square inch head provides a forgiving sweet spot that helps on off-center contact. The frame feels lively and responsive, making it easy to generate racket head speed on your swings. Baseline players who like to load up on topspin find this frame incredibly satisfying to use. The balance between power and spin makes it approachable for intermediate players stepping up their game. It performs beautifully on both forehand and two-handed backhand topspin shots. The comfort level is solid, though slightly stiffer than the EZONE line. Many players switching from flatter, control-oriented frames report an immediate boost in net clearance and consistency. The string bed feels responsive without sacrificing too much control. When you want a racket that makes spin and power feel effortless, the Yonex VCORE 100 2026 is one of the standout releases of the year. Number 3. Babolat Pure Aero 98 2026. Taking the bronze spot at number 3 is the Babolat Pure Aero 98 2026, a racket setting a genuinely high bar for this year's releases. This racket refines the already legendary Pure Aero formula that professional and club players have trusted for years. It features a thinner beam and smaller 98 square inch head compared to the standard Pure Aero, adding a meaningful boost in control. Despite the added control focus, it retains the signature power and spin that made the Pure Aero family famous worldwide. This latest version feels noticeably faster through the swing, encouraging players to generate even more racket head speed and spin. Playtesters consistently praise the balanced feel between aggressive topspin and precise shot placement. The frame suits advanced intermediate to advanced players who want spin without sacrificing too much control at the baseline. Serve performance benefits from the faster swing speed, adding extra pop on both flat and kick serves. The comfort level has been improved compared to older, stiffer Aero models. This racket transitions well for players moving up from the standard Pure Aero or Pure Drive lines. The build quality and cosmetics feel premium and match the racket's high-performance reputation. When you want the spin and power of the Pure Aero family with an added layer of control, the Pure Aero 98 2026 is absolutely worth demoing this year. Number 2. Babolat Pure Aero 200 2026. Securing silver at number 2 is the Babolat Pure Aero 200 2026, widely considered the best overall racket for power and spin this year. This racket delivers an incredible amount of baseline power while maintaining the spin potential that defines the entire Pure Aero lineup. Recent updates have improved its performance at the net, addressing a weakness that older Aero models struggled with. Players switching from other power-oriented frames describe an immediate honeymoon period that simply does not wear off with continued use. The racket generates effortless topspin, making heavy, high-bouncing shots easy to produce even with a moderate swing. It provides enough depth and pace to trouble opponents from the baseline without requiring maximum effort on every shot. The frame remains forgiving on off-center hits, a hallmark of the Pure Aero family's design philosophy. Intermediate and advanced players both find this racket approachable while still being capable of tour-level performance. The updated aerodynamic frame shape helps generate faster swing speeds with less physical strain. Comfort has been noticeably improved in this generation compared to earlier stiffer Aero releases. Many reviewers call this the gold standard for all-round power and spin rackets in 2026. When you want a racket that dominates from the baseline and keeps improving at net, the Pure Aero 200 2026 is nearly impossible to beat this year. Number 1. Wilson Pro Staff 97 LCV. Finally, claiming the top spot at number 1 is the Wilson Pro Staff 97 LCV, widely regarded by testers as the single best overall tennis racket of 2026. After extensive comparison against rackets from every major trusted brand, this frame consistently rose above the rest in overall performance and feel. The countervail technology significantly reduces vibration and shock, making it a favorite among players managing tennis elbow or shoulder discomfort. The 97 square inch head provides exceptional precision for players who value control over raw power. This lighter version of the classic Pro Staff makes the legendary frame accessible to a wider range of skill levels without sacrificing its signature feel. Advanced players love the clean, predictable ball response this racket delivers on every shot. The plush yet stable feel at contact has earned genuine loyalty from players managing arm health concerns. It rewards proper technique with pinpoint accuracy on ground strokes, volleys, and serves alike. Longtime Pro Staff users describe this racket as a natural evolution rather than a dramatic departure from the classic design. The comfort and control combination makes it uniquely suited for players logging heavy match hours. Reviewers repeatedly highlight this racket for players dealing with arm or shoulder sensitivity who still want serious performance. When you want the single most well-rounded, comfortable, and precise racket money can buy in 2026, the Wilson Pro Staff 97 LCV stands alone at the very top.